In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write off an outstanding invoice in QuickBooks Online. Managing your accounts efficiently is important, especially when it comes to keeping tabs on unpaid invoices. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, payments don't come through, and it's crucial to know how to write these off properly. So, let's dive into how you can seamlessly handle this in QuickBooks Online. First, start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. Head over to the sign-in page, and once you're there, select the option for QuickBooks Online. You'll need to enter your credentials, so type in your email and password carefully, then click Continue to access your account. It's always a good idea to ensure your login details are secure, possibly using a password manager for best practice. Once you're logged in, look for the New button on your home page. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu, and from there you'll want to choose Credit Memo. A credit memo is an essential tool as it allows you to balance your books when invoices remain unpaid. It's similar to an internal note that shows an adjustment to the customer's account. Now that you're on the credit memo page, the first thing to do is to add your customer. Select the customer associated with the outstanding invoice you wish to write off. Then you'll need to input the credit memo date. It's best to use the date when you decide to write off the invoice, as this keeps your records up to date. The next step is quite specific but very important. Under the services section, you'll need to type in bad debt. This entry helps categorize the amount correctly in your financial statements, ensuring that it reflects as a loss. With that done, enter the amount you are writing off. This should match the total balance of the outstanding invoice. Be meticulous at this stage to ensure your books are accurate. Once all the details are filled in, click Save. This action officially creates the credit memo that offsets the outstanding invoice. But you're not done yet. There's a final step to fully apply this transaction. You'll need to go back to the Sales tab, where you can find the list of invoices. Click on Invoices, search for the customer's invoice you're writing off, and choose to receive payment. Here, you'll see an option to select the credit memo you just created. This operation basically tells QuickBooks that the amount from the credit memo should apply against the unpaid invoice. The last action is to click Save and Close. This completes the process, ensuring that the invoice is marked as paid using the credit memo. Keeping your records accurate by marking outstanding invoices as bad debt is essential for financial clarity and planning. And that's it, you've now successfully written off an outstanding invoice in QuickBooks Online. Remember, maintaining accurate records is crucial for understanding the financial health of your business. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this guide helpful.